How's it going, everybody? My name's Eric, and in this video we're going to be installing some LEDs, upgrading the low beam halogen lights on this 2012 Toyota Prius C, also known around the world as the Toyota Aqua. My mom has been driving with the halogens and she doesn't like how dim they are. We're gonna throw some 120 watt, 20,000 lumen LED upgrades, this alien looking technology that we got off of Amazon. I think they were like $50 or maybe $59, Amazon Prime shipped. I will put a link to them in the description for you to check out if you live in the US. You wanna make sure you get the right ones because of the connector, as well as the threads and the way that the LEDs are shaped. So without further ado, if you haven't already, please give the video a thumbs up. If you aren't already subscribed to the channel, subscribe for more projects. It's a pretty easy installation, so I don't think you guys would have any issues with it. But without further ado, let's get into the tutorial. First thing you're gonna need to do is open your car door. Find the hood release, which is down here on the left driver's side, and you're gonna pull on that. Then you're gonna reach under the hood, feel with your fingers. There is a spring lever that you have to press up on that's actually right here, and that releases the hood. You're gonna grab this hood stand, lift it up, and then put it in the top of the hood right here, or right here. And we're gonna start with removing the passenger side headlight. It's the light behind the sphere right here. You're gonna reach in and grab the back of the light bulb, and you're going to rotate it counterclockwise. It should be in the 6 o'clock position, and then you're going to rotate it to the 3 o'clock position, and then you're going to pull the light out. And then there's this other connector you have to press down on, and then you should be able to pull the bulb straight out. Put the connector to the side. This was pointing down. We rotated it in the 6 o'clock position. We rotated it counterclockwise into the 3 o'clock position, and then we pulled it away and lifted it out. So then you're gonna take one of your new LED bulbs. I specifically went with this one because it already has the voltage adjusting circuit board right there, that silver thing, and then it has the right connector. I installed these in my other car, really liked them. I recommend this exact one, link to it is in the description. It has the correct design for the LED, so you're not spraying all over the road. It's got the cooling fans, it's got the circuit board so it doesn't flicker. The way we're going to install it, based off of this cord right here, we're going to put that in the 3 o'clock position, rotate it down into the 6 o'clock position, and it should be locked into place. But before we do that, let's connect it. But before we put the bulb in, we're going to take the wiring harness and we're going to connect it to the bulb. If you, for some reason you've connected this and installed it, it's not working, disconnect it, flip the plug around, and then put it back in, because it can go in either way and only one of the ways is going to work. So I'm reaching down in there. I have the bulb about in the 3 o'clock position. Now I'm trying to rotate it down, which is really awkward. I recommend really grabbing the back of the bulb and then just twisting it down. You're gonna be twisting it clockwise to get it to lock in, and it should not have any play or movement. I have this one installed. Now let's turn the lights on. You can see an absolute difference. The halogen over here on the driver's side is very yellow, and over here on the left, we have the LEDs, huge difference. Now we're gonna work on the driver's side, so we're gonna have to reach behind this inverter. There's a bulb with a harness down there in the 6 o'clock position. We're gonna grab it, rotate it to the 9 o'clock position, and then we're gonna pull it out. It's a tight space, but you should be able to get one hand in it, and you gotta do most of it by feel. I got it. I'm gonna rotate it, and then pull out the bulb. There it is right there. Press down on where it connects and then pull it out. And you really can't do that one-handed. Here's what the bulbs look like side by side. Alien technology over here, and then primitive human technology. There is a plus. There's a plus and a minus on the plug, and you want to line up the plus with the blue cord. You can't really see well, but there's a white and a blue cord. You want to line it up with the blue cord when you're plugging it in here. Otherwise, you're gonna have to flip it around. Now I'm gonna reach in there, put this bulb in at about the 3 o'clock position, rotate it into the 6 o'clock position. The hand of the clock is this cord right here. We're gonna rotate it clockwise. And this is all done by feel as well. In there, I'm gonna rotate it clockwise. It's extremely tight. If you're having trouble with grip, maybe grab something like a glove, put it on the back of the bulb, and it'll give you a little bit better of a grip with the texture between the rubber and the metal. Now I'm gonna plug in positive blue side, and you could zip tie these down as well. And just like that, we have 2 beautiful LEDs installed in this Toyota Prius C, also known as the Toyota Aqua. It was super easy. If you have any questions, throw them in the comments section. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, please give the video a thumbs up. If you aren't already subscribed to the channel, subscribe so you don't miss another project, and I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.